Learn how to blend like a pro and create this super smoky eye using all SAOI Cosmetics brushes. So to start, I'm lining from the outer corner of my eye towards my crease and then lining my lash line, stopping just before the inner corner. With our small smudging S03 brush, I'm lightly softening that pencil before we start applying the eyeshadow. Using a chocolate brown eyeshadow and our S04 brush, I'm firstly applying that over the liner. I'm then feathering my brush upwards towards my crease to begin our blend. I've applied a lighter taupey brown to one side of our S05 brush, and I'm basically holding the brush upside down just above the dark brown, blending up towards the crease. Using this method with our C brushes creates the perfect blend. I'm taking our S07 brush with a light brown shade and pressing that just above my crease onto my brow bone, also blending the same shade into the inner part of my lid for a beautiful transition towards the brow. Now that we have the foundation of the blend, I'm reapplying that chocolate brown shade to the lash line with our S04 brush to reinforce what we lost during blending. To smoke out the look and create depth around the eye, I'm taking the same S03 brush from earlier and applying some black eyeshadow to the lash line. Again, using my brush upside down to blend upward. I'm now lining my waterline with the black pencil and slightly applying the pencil into my bottom lashes for a super smoky look. Now, taking our S02 brush, I'm using the super fine detail tip to apply some black eyeshadow to the bottom lash line. This brush is perfect for precise application, keeping the depth just around the eye. I'm then softly smudging that with our S03 and the chocolate brown shade from earlier. Back to our S02 brush and some black eyeshadow, I'm creating a small inner corner wing as well as sharpening up the outer corner. And that's it, super sexy smoky eyes using all SAOI Cosmetics brushes.